Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can repost Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and if we want to repost someone else's Instagram story, we have to be tagged or mentioned in someone else's Instagram story. And after we have been tagged or mentioned, we can get the notification on our Instagram direct message. You just need to go to your Instagram direct message, and this is the account who mentioned me in a story. I'm going to click on it. Then this is the story, and I'm going to repost the story. We can click on add to your story, and before we post the story, we can edit the story. We can add tag, sticker, or maybe music. And when you're ready to repost the story, you can click on your story, but here I'm just going to make it full screen like this. Then we can click on your story. Okay, now the story is being uploaded, and I'm going to check it on my story. Okay, now it's still loading. All right. And I guess that's how we can repost Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.